Wouldn't it be great if a company could make an all-inclusive coding course? Do you want to learn to code? Well, this Kickstarter is for you. It's a completely brand new decade, and the best way to make this decade a success is to learn to code. Coding is going to be the #1 skill that you need on your resume for this next decade. Hi, my name is John Burr, and I founded a company called Mammoth Interactive. We've sold over 700,000 courses worldwide, and students keep coming back to the quality courses that we produce. The reason why people keep coming back is we give practical projects and we give tutorials that are incredibly succinct and informative. So a couple years ago, we launched a Kickstarter called Hello Coding, and it was our most successful Kickstarter to date. The reason why it was successful is because we taught everything from web development to game development to app development and all the way to Python and machine learning. Today, we are going to be unveiling Hello Coding 2.0. This is the new and improved version of Hello Coding. So what does Hello Coding 2.0 contain? Well, it contains all of the amazing information on how to become a web developer, an app developer, a game developer, and we're going to be adding in a ton of Python and machine learning tutorials. This is going to be the last coding course you need. In addition, a lot of tutorials just simply copy and paste code or go from A to B. Our tutorials show you how to make practical projects that you can use on your LinkedIn or your resume. Now, after selling 700,000 courses, we've listened to our customer base, and this is exactly what you've been telling us. We understand that the best way to help people out in their career is to give practical projects. Employers are looking for people who can perform, and our tutorials are the best way to do that. So we need your help to make an amazing bundle of courses. You can check out all the rewards down below. The more you pledge, the more you get. You can also check out the stretch goals. There's going to be a stretch goal for every $1,000 that we raise. The more money everybody pledges, the more content everybody gets. Are you ready to make 2020 a complete success? If so, this course is for you. Pledge today and I'll see you in the course.